Are you interested to see how I pack my backpack for 1 to 3 days overnight hike? Please follow the rest of this video. My name is Anne Lise, and I am one of 2 persons behind the channel Outdoor Adventures Norway. If you like outdoor activities, hiking, and maybe hiking in Norway, please subscribe below. Now I'm going to start to pack. I use a backpack with 65 liters. And I always start with my sleeping bag in the bottom. And it has a nice room in the bottom of the backpack here. Like this. The next thing I want to take after the sleeping bag is this sleeping pad. And that's only because I want to stabilize this backpack so it can stand perfectly when I feel everything else in the big room. So then I will take this in the bottom here. Like this. Then I will go to put my air mattress in the bottom here. And then my clothes. This hiking is for temperature around 15 to a little below 0. So in here I have 2 pairs of socks in wool, and some thin pants in wool, and a sweater who is also thin in wool, and a jacket in down. Okay. The reason why I put this down here, you know, my clothes and the air mattress, is because it fits more well and it's heavy weight, and I want to have them more in the bottom to more stabilized when I'm walking. So, and the next thing I want to do is my hammock, and it's good to have it with up so I can take it out if I want to have a little break or have to have a lunch, and it's so easy to just take it up. So I'll put this in here with, of course, straps. Since I have a dog who is always freezing, she has her own sleeping bag. Yes, this is what I have here too. So this hike is only 1 night. So this is food for me and my hiking friend, and I always use a dry bag to have it so it's safe. It's starting to rain, so this will not get wet. So we have this dry food that we just take some boiled water, and it's going to be a good meal. We really like this real Turmat in Norwegian. And then we have the bread. It's called in Norwegian polarbrød. It's really easy to have with us. And then we have this jalapenos cheese in a tube. Next, it's good to the bread. And yes, I just use a normal spoon. Works perfectly for mine. Yeah. And a cup and some breakfast. Yeah. Then I'm going to take this in my dry bag. Try not to squeeze the bread too much. Then I will have it almost on the top, so it's easy access if I'm getting hungry when I'm hiking. And then I want to have the gas burner on the top too, so I can just make my food. And like I said, I have a dog with me, so I need some food to her as well. And that's actually everything I'm going to have in this main pocket of this bag. In this pocket, I want to have my sun cream, a trash bag, and a soap for me, and if I want to clean the cups or my spoon. In this top pocket I have here, I have my raincoat. And I always have some bags, small bags that I can have around my feet in my shoes. If my shoes is going to be wet, then I just have some dry socks under these bags and just take my shoes on, and then you are dry and fine. Works perfectly. You never know if they're going to start to rain or there are a lot of rivers you're going to go over and get some wet shoes. Yeah, that's all I have in that top. I have a pocket beneath it. In here I have this medical kit. I had some antibac and paper. And I have a headlamp. Handy. In this front pocket I have here, I normally use, in this time, this wool sweater. It's quite high weight, but I really love it, and it's so comfortable. So this is going in the front, but if it's risk for rain, please put it in a bag before you take it in the front pocket. And then we're going on the side. I have my drinking bottles on my right side. I'm sure that I have everything in the same place every time I'm going out hiking, so I know every time where to find it. Like this. And in this pocket here, on the belt, I have my snack. And on my left pocket on the belt, I normally use to have my gloves and my hat. If it's getting cold or too warm, I easily can take it off and on. So on this side, my left side, I have the poles to the tent. Since my friend's going to take the tent, I take the poles. And like I mentioned, sometimes now that I have a dog with me, so she also have her own sleeping pad. And I want to have this in the front like this. I don't want to have it here because I don't have so easily access to my sweater or to open this up. So I'll take this just there. So the last thing I'm going to have on this backpack is this for my dog. And that's because in Norway, the dog cannot go freely in certain time here in Norway. That was all. Now I'm ready for a really good hike.
Hi, my name is Anne, and this video has been about how Anne Lise packs her gear when she goes out hiking. And we also go out hiking together, mostly.
Yeah.
Yeah? Please comment below if you want to know more about the gear she is using. We will try to reply you all. We also will be uploading a video about what type of gear I use in a month or two. So please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when those videos comes out. Any last words?
Go out and hiking.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye!